Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Goel. I have secured AIR-2 in GATE 2019 from Mechanical Engineering. I did my B.Tech from BITS Pilani. The study material provided here is very concise and to the point that helped me in brushing up my skills and knowledge of all the technical syllabus. The test series helped me looking at my weak points to work upon and build confidence, which finally helped me in the final GATE exam.
Congratulations Anshul on securing AIR-2 in GATE 2019 from Mechanical branch.
Thank you, sir.
What were your marks in GATE 2019, Anshul?
My marks were 94.65.
Anshul, it means you were short by just 0.1 marks to be the topper.
सर स्टार्टिंग में तो मुझे जब मैंने रिजल्ट देखा तो मुझे टॉपर के मार्क्स नहीं पता था. एक्चुअली आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग रैंक 1, सो व्हेन आई लुक्ड अपॉन द रिजल्ट सो इट वाज रैंक 2. सो ठीक है, बट उस टाइम मुझे रैंक 1 के मार्क्स पता नहीं थे और मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि रैंक 1 कौन है. तो स्टार्टिंग में तो इतना बुरा नहीं लगा. तो आई कॉल माई पेरेंट्स एंड टोल्ड देम, सो दे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड मी ऑफ कोर्स. सो बट लेटर जब मुझे पता लगा कि रैंक 1 के मार्क्स सिर्फ 0.1 ही ज़्यादा है, तो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा बुरा फील हुआ, बट आफ्टर 1-2 hours इट ऑल गॉट सेटल्ड. सो बिकॉज रैंक 2 इज ऑल्सो नॉट दैट बैड.
How this difference came into effect, Anshul?
एक्चुअली बोथ ऑफ मार्क्स वर सेम. मेरा मॉर्निंग सेट था और उसका इवनिंग सेट था. सो वी बोथ गॉट 94.68 मार्क्स, बट ड्यू टू नॉर्मलाइजेशन ही गॉट शिफ्टेड बाय सम marks and I got shifted less by some marks, so that created the difference. Otherwise we both scored 1000 out of 1000 marks in the GATE.
Anshul, take us through that very special moment when you shared your result with your family.
जब मेरा रिज़ल्ट आया तो मैंने सबसे पहले उन्हें कॉल किया और उनको बताया कि I have secured all India rank 2nd. So they were really amazed and they congratulated me a lot, and मेरे मम्मी तो लाइक दे बिलीव अ लॉट इन गॉड एंड दे सेड दैट ठीक है अब सारी मतलब हमारी दुआ पूरी हो गई जो भी था. एंड स्पेशली माई होल फैमिली दे विश्ड मी अ लॉट एंड congratulated my parents also. That make me felt very good.
Who all are there in your family, Anshul?
I have my brother, younger brother, who is preparing for civil services, and my father and my mother.
Tell us about your schooling, Anshul.
So I did my basic schooling in my village area that's nearby Ambala, and I did my higher education in Ambala only. That's the name of the school is P.K. Arjan Senior Secondary Public School. That's in Ambala only.
Anshul, take us through your journey from your school to BITS Pilani.
I prepared for the JEE exam and as well as the BITS Pilani exam. So there is a BITS exam for the entrance for the college, and I cracked that exam and got admission in the BITS Pilani in 2014.
Anshul, how were your days at BITS Pilani? Give us a feel of the BITS Pilani campus.
The campus over there is absolutely awesome. वहाँ का environment ही totally अलग है. तो वहाँ का एक तो that's not located in the city, so और पूरा रिमोट एरिया है और उधर का एक अलग ही कल्चर है. जैसे वहाँ के बच्चे, वहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट बिल्कुल ही अलग है.
How was this year's GATE paper different from previous years?
पर्सनली सर मुझे तो पेपर इजी लगा, तो उसके ऊपर तो मुझे तो ज़्यादा वो नहीं है. बट लास्ट ईयर के कंपैरिजन्स में हाँ पेपर थोड़ा वैसे लेंदी था, बट इट वाज इजियर.
Anshul, how was the section 1 of GATE 2019 paper?
Aptitude and English part, actually I have already the stronger part, so I didn't feel any problem in that part. I did those 10 questions in 10 minutes only.
What about the technical section, Anshul?
It was a bit lengthy, but it was easy, I think. There were some questions in my set that were out of syllabus, but major portion was good, so I could do it all.
Anshul, which subjects were your strength?
Major subjects that are my strengths are the subjects that involve calculations. So strength of materials, fluid mechanics, engineering mechanics, those were my strong subjects, and the thermal section also.
Anshul, what was your overall strategy with regard to GATE preparation?
Actually, I'm more focused on engineering services, so I prepared my whole strategy in the month of February after my engineering services exam. So before that I was preparing for, like, the syllabus for both the exams is almost same. So first of all I completed all the basic concepts for the GATE as well as ESC. Then after my ESC prelims exam got over, so I looked upon the previous year questions and I solved them simultaneously. So that's all I did for the GATE exam.
Anshul, how did IES Master study material benefit you?
IES Master study material was very concise. So जो मुझे भी लगता था कि ये मुझे किस बुक से पढ़ना चाहिए, कहाँ से रेफ़र करना चाहिए, तो उस सब करने की बजाय मैं स्टडी मटेरियल को रेफ़र करता था ताकि सबका एक कलेक्टेड पार्ट मुझे एक जगह पे मिल जाए और आई कुड प्रिपेयर फॉर द बिगर सिलेबस इन लेसर टाइम.
How did you went about short notes, Anshul?
I started with the short notes making for every subject, but I found it that those were not that much beneficial. So I prepared the short notes only for those subjects that involved formulas and everything.
What was your study schedule broadly?
So my schedule was not according to the number of hours. So I targeted mainly like I have to do this part of the syllabus in this much time. So that was not the time oriented. Like if my target was completed in 6 hours, so let it be 6 hours. If it's not completed in even 10 hours, so it will take more than 10 hours. So that's it.
Anshul, what specific targets you used to keep for yourself?
After completing my college, I targeted mainly for engineering services. So I devoted my main time in the preparation for engineering services. But after my engineering services exam, I made the schedule for the GATE exam. Like there were around about 2500 questions. So I solved 200 of them daily. I made the target and I achieved that.
How you kept yourself motivated during your preparation, Anshul?
I would like to give all the credit to my family for this. Like there were a lot of time that were low for me, but my family keep me motivated. My brother, younger brother, and my parents, they helped me a lot during this time.
Anshul, how did you benefit from IES Master Test Series?
सर जो टेस्ट सीरीज़ था तो उसमें मैं डेली 2 दिन में एक टेस्ट देता था और एक दिन उसको एनालाइज करने के लिए रखता था. तो मैंने क्या किया कि लास्ट के डेज़ में फुल, जब मेरे एक बार प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस हो गए तो मैं फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट देता था और उसको एनालाइज करता था. सो उसकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी अपना वीक स्पॉट्स ढूंढने में हेल्प मिली और साथ के साथ टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग.
Anshul, how did you prepare yourself for the exam day and the day before exam?
The day before exam, that was not much exhausting for me because I prepared a lot from the test series, so that gave me a confidence very well. So I didn't think about the test exam that I the next day. So I did take proper sleep, and yes, I did got good exam.
Anshul, what's the biggest mistake that students commit?
I think the biggest mistake is the lack of basic concepts. The students keep on practicing questions and instead of actually practicing the question, they start learning the questions. So in my opinion, building the basic concepts is more important, and after that you should do the practice the questions.
Anshul, what would be your preference once you have achieved such a good rank?
I'm mainly focusing on ONGC right now, but as I said earlier, my main focus is in engineering services. So yes.
What would be your message to your juniors at BITS Pilani, Anshul?
I would just like to say that concentrate on the basics and do attend the classes, of course. That's really important. And apart from that, keep on giving the test series. That will help you to know the exact pattern and how to manage the time during the exam. Additionally, that will also give you a lot of confidence.
Which year do you think students should start preparing for GATE, Anshul?
If you did well in the college, like if you were studying in the college, so the time for 6 to 8 months is more than sufficient. You just have to practice the questions that were there in the previous year exam. But if you haven't studied in the college, so I would like to say that you should start studying in the 4th year itself.
What is that one thing that fascinated you about IES Master?
So the study material that was provided to me was very concise, and that helped me to revise all the parts simultaneously, and the like the syllabus of the GATE exam is very large, so yes, that gave me a very concise material to work upon, so that helped me a lot.
Anshul, you have been an excellent student here at IES Master. We are very much proud of you to have you here at our institute.
Thank you, sir.